The laptop market just hit a wall. For decades, we believed that a cheap laptop had to be a bad laptop. We accepted the plastic builds, the dim screens, and the batteries that died before lunch. But right now, something unprecedented is happening in Cupertino. Apple didn't just release a budget laptop. They accidentally created a monster. And today, we are peeling back the curtain on the most controversial, most anticipated sequel in tech history, the MacBook Neo 2. If you are a student, a parent, or a professional looking for a secondary machine, you need to listen very carefully. The original MacBook Neo was the $599 disruption that nobody saw coming. It was the first Mac to ever use an iPhone chip, the A18 Pro, and it sold out so fast that Apple literally ran out of parts. But the MacBook Neo 2, that's where things get dangerous for the competition. We've analyzed the leaked A19 Pro benchmarks, the supply chain shifts at TSMC, and the internal memos regarding a 12GB RAM standard that changes everything. Let's start with the why. Why did the first Neo succeed, and why is Apple panicking to release the Neo 2 ahead of schedule? The original Neo used binned A18 Pro chips, essentially the leftover silicon from the iPhone 16 Pro. It was a genius move. Apple took recycled power and put it in a 13-inch chassis. But the success was a double-edged sword. They sold 6 million units in record time, and now they've run out of chips. They can't make more A18 Pros because the factories have moved on to the next generation. This forces Apple's hand. The MacBook Neo 2 isn't coming out because Apple wants to be generous. It's coming out because it's the only way they can keep a budget laptop on the shelves. This brings us to the heart of the Neo 2, the A19 Pro. This is the 2-nanometer revolution. Most people hear 2-nanometer and think it's just a smaller number. But in the world of physics, this is a miracle. It allows Apple to cram billions more transistors into a space smaller than a postage stamp. For the Neo 2, this means a 30% jump in efficiency. We are looking at the first budget laptop that can genuinely hit 18 to 20 hours of real-world battery life. You could leave your charger at home for a weekend trip, and the Neo 2 wouldn't even flinch. But the real hook for the USA audience is the RAM. For years, we've complained about Apple's 8GB is enough marketing. It was a meme, and it was frustrating. But the A19 Pro chip is built for the iPhone 17 Pro, which requires 12GB of RAM to handle the new Apple Intelligence Ultra features. Because the Neo 2 uses that exact same chip, the 8GB era is officially dead. The base model MacBook Neo 2 is rumored to start at 12GB of unified memory. This isn't just a spec bump, it's a usability revolution. It means you can have 50 Chrome tabs, a 4K video render, and a Zoom call running simultaneously without the system swapping to the SSD. It makes a $599 laptop feel like a $1,200 Pro machine. Now let's talk about the design. The first Neo was fun, friendly, and fresh. It gave us colors like blush and citrus. The Neo 2 is rumored to keep that colorful DNA, but refine the build. We're hearing whispers of a tapered wedge return, the iconic MacBook Air shape that Apple abandoned, but updated with the flat edge language of the Pro. It's thinner, it's lighter at just 2.6 pounds, and it's completely fanless.